In today's video, I will walk you through how to use the CHAR function in Google Sheets. Start by entering numbers in column A, like 65, 66, 97, and 98. These are character codes. In column B, type equals CHAR open parenthesis A2 close parenthesis. This converts the number into its matching character. Press Enter, then drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the rest of the column. If nothing shows, check your cell references and make sure the codes in column A are valid. You can add notes in column C to label each character if needed. Try different codes like 36 for a $sign, 169 for copyright, 9,733 for a star, and 10 for a line break. Enter your codes in column A, use CHAR in column B, drag down, and view the results. And that's how you use the CHAR function in Google Sheets.